What's up guys, today I'm going to be factory resetting the Tapo lock, the smart lock here. You can see it on the front, it's got the doorbell, but we're going to be working here on the back to factory reset it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to slide this piece off right here. It doesn't take as much muscles as I'm showing right there, it's actually pretty easy. But first thing you want to do is make sure that it has batteries. You can tap the front. If it doesn't have batteries, you're going to probably need to charge this piece right here to be able to make sure that it's fully charged before you do a factory reset. You'll see two buttons down here on the bottom. You'll see a Wi-Fi button and then you'll see a reset button. The reset button, there's two types of resets that you have. You have the Wi-Fi reset, which if you hold down for 5 seconds, that'll just reset the Wi-Fi. If you hold it down for 10 seconds, that's going to be a full factory reset. So if you do that, you're going to have to start over from scratch. So I would only suggest that if you're really seeing issues or you get this new lock and for some reason it's not syncing, that might be a good step to take. So we'll go ahead and push that down for 10 seconds. So we'll count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You'll hear that double beep. We'll go ahead and let go. And then from here, if you wait a second, you'll see on the front,
download the Tapo app.
It'll tell you to download the Tapo app, and that's how you know that the factory reset has occurred. So if you guys have any issues, definitely let me know. Once again, the 5 seconds is for the Wi-Fi, and then the 10 seconds is going to be for the full factory reset. So I'll create more videos as we go through the process. But if you guys have any questions, let me know, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.